How you doing?
Saidaboj, see as you just dey shine your 32 the very first day you spoke with Blessing CEO, wey you dey call pig now. It's the audacity for me. That's why they talk say, for this life, as an old mama wey you be, Blessing CEO, may you learn not to dey dine with small pikin like Saidaboj. Learn how to keep your boundaries. See as this small girl now just dey insult you anyhow, dey talk to you anyhow. As I watch her video where she dey insult you, I say no be this girl wey dey shine 32 back then, wey you and am talk, wey we no even hear word for internet. You dey call her mini me, she dey call you mama. They dey talk say internet go catch fire because Blessing CEO don get another person wey be like am for internet. If she dey drag very dark man, you go dey drag Nkechi Blessing. Internet go just dey boost up and down. Now una don dey insult each other. If this thing no be for promotion, cause I dey see am as maybe you both plan am. As Saidaboj wan dey promote her music, anything can happen. You see internet, I don't trust it anymore. Maybe you guys planned it, make you both start to dey drag each other, because say army boss too full for internet. I'm one of the army boss. Maybe you both plan am, but if not, this is really downgrading for both of you. Yes, it is. As an army boy girl, why be? This is my own analysis. If you like, take am. If you no like, no take am. Guys, make I play the video, make una see how all these things started and how Saidaboj dey shine teeth the very first day she and Blessing CEO talk for video call.
Mama!
How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
Fine. First of all, I want to tell you, kudos for what you do.
I'm shy.
I call you my mini me. You know why I call you my mini me? Is it the gods where you get? Now the gods that take stars. No look past the face.
Where them dey? I didn't see them.
I didn't see them.
I didn't see them. Yeah.
And one thing is not even the fact that you're outspoken, you are intelligent. Forget noise. Even if you comment, all these noise makers, now so I tell them, with all the noise and bashing, if they see you for real life, they don't feel cough.
They don't feel cough.
I'm
your fan.
I'm your
fan. Blessing CEO, I'm your fan. I love you. I love you so much, and I'm so happy to have you here.
I love you. First of all, before we jump into the topic, how did you get this boldness? Because you get some young girls, we get some things to talk about, but they don't get. What didn't give you that liver? What make you say, I know they look anybody's face. Now one drag me out.
Okay.
So where is the boldness coming from?
First of all, people can only judge you with what they see online. They don't know what you've been through. They don't know that you've seen life. Mentally, up here, I'm mature than some people who think they're older than me. Do you understand? So I don't